Daryl, don't think I forgot about you, brother.
No. Okay. So I don't know if I'm in a unique spot or not, but most of you know I'm in a very small community. This isn't about money, as far as cost and project or product rate or um my rates or anything, production rates, but I'm looking over the last 30 or so projects that I've done or that's still on my schedule to be done. And 28 out of 30 jobs. I don't know if I'm unique, so I want to get some perspective. 28 out of 30 jobs are all repeat client or referrals, and I'm the only bidder on every single one of them. And just to give you some perspective on the amounts of some of these jobs, I put in the last four of them. Was a $13,000 job, $3,400 job, $16,000 job, $5,400 job, $20,000, all repeat client, all at my high end rate, which I'm already higher than everybody.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm the only bidder, which is all really, really good. It's what we want. But what I'm not getting is those customers out there that are new to town. They don't know me. Um, just somebody that hasn't been referred. I'm top on Google. I'm active on Facebook. I've got good branding, signs, trailers. So I don't know if I have a problem, but it's like I'm staying busy, but I'm not getting new clients that's like never heard of me. Of course, I know I'm in a small area here, but I just don't know what to think of that. Good, bad, indifferent, I don't know. So I want to, where are you guys getting your leads from that are not referrals or repeats? James.
I, like a lot of ours come from Google, believe it or not. We've tracked them. My Google guy tracks them all different sorts of kinds of ways. Pretty crazy guy. We've been trying to dabble with Bing too as well to see how that works out. We're just doing a 3 month trial on that to see if anything's coming in through there. Another thing that I've started doing is like direct marketing. Is like I'm doing postcards 4 times a year to specific parts of town, mainly the richest houses and stuff like that. Do our high repaints and stuff. So that was one thing that's new this year. I don't offer any discounts or incentives on those two as well. Kind of just company logo, a little bit about our company, what we provide and everything. I'm more than happy to kind of email you a photo front and back of what we mail out. And that's new to us this year. So we're doing that 4 times a year is what we planned it for. So we're expecting that to help too as well, bring in some new people from that. But yeah, people are finding us organically too online or anything. Like any of the free listings, like if you would Yelp this, that, we have our name on everything, regardless if we pay for it or not.
Yeah.
And then we try to get a little bit of reviews here, a little bit of reviews there, and then yeah, people are booking themselves through. You can book me on my website. So
Yeah, a few months ago, I did reach out to Mike, and he put me out there, or he, what do you call it? He put all my information, all like the Angie and the Yelp and all that. It's kind of funny because just yesterday I got a Yelp message, and I'm bidding a job tomorrow for a Yelp.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of funny because I already had this top of mind planned before that, but I'm just not finding anybody, or nobody's finding me that I'm seeing that are just new, that don't know me from others. So
Who's
yeah,
who's getting new leads from networking? Isaac? Yeah, Craig, guys
Yeah,
chime in.
just
Go ahead.
because there's people that have lived in town their whole lives that are meeting these new people. Like our hospital brings in a lot of new doctors, and then so my real estate agent people who are married to other doctors at the hospital, and they're like, "Oh, you've got to meet our painter," and so I think networking is is even bigger for me than Google, although Google is quite a bit of that. But yeah, people know people and it spreads. And so I think that just leaning into Rotary and different groups and going to the chamber events and the ribbon cuttings and stuff, even if it takes an hour that you don't feel like you have, you never know if you could meet that one person that's like king of influence for your town.
Mhm.
So
Good info. Thanks. I was just kind of
Yeah.
curious of what to even think about my situation because it's kind of weird.
Well, it's not a bad situation.
No.
Those are
Not
good
at
problems
all.
to have. Yeah. 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 Right on.